This video will show you how to winterize your MCS mist cooling system. Turn off the water to the system. Turn the system power switch on. Move the low water safety lever to on until all the water is removed from the system. Move the lever back to off and turn the power switch to off. Disconnect your tubing from the system and remove the garden hose from your hose bib. Tuck the hose neatly on the side of the system. Next, unscrew the filter canister from your system. Remove the filter and pour the water from the canister. Screw the canister lightly onto the system. Disconnect the power cord and tuck it neatly inside the cover. Take a heavy-duty bag, lift one side of the system, and slide the bag underneath and over half of the system. Then lift the other side and pull the bag until the system is completely covered. Now tie the bag. The system has now been winterized and should stay protected until you're ready to use it again.